Hello everyone and welcome to our final maths lesson of the week. As you can see, the learning objective is to make three-dimensional shapes. So to do that, you'll need to be able to describe the properties of the shape. We talked about those yesterday. You'll need to be able to use the correct language and then actually make the shape itself. Before we begin, have a look at this. See if you can work out the 3D shapes, the names of those 3D shapes. Then, how many square faces does a cube have? And finally, which of the shapes at the bottom would not make that print? So pause the video, record your answers. When you've done that, press play and I will show you what the answers are. Okay, so the first one, a square-based pyramid. You can see it's a pyramid and you can see at the bottom it has a square. The next one, however, has at the bottom a triangle. So it's a triangular-based pyramid. And then the final one is a prism and it is a triangular prism. A cube has 6 faces. Now, which of these could not make that mark, that circle? Well, it is of course the middle one, because the middle one would have a square base and therefore you couldn't make a circle print. Okay, Dexter and Amir are investigating how many different cuboids they can build with 8 cubes. So here we go, there's one, there's another, and another, there we go. There we go. There we go. Have you spotted a problem? Dexter reckons he's made 6 different cuboids. What do you think? I think some of these are actually the same. Let's see if Tiny is correct. These two are completely different. That's fine. However, the remaining 4 are the same. If we turn them round, they would all look exactly the same. That's all that's happened. The shapes have been turned round. Whitney and Alex are also building 3D shapes. Let's have a look at how many cubes are in each shape. Well, the first one's easy. The second one, if you count how many is in a layer, and then you can multiply that by how many layers. So there'll be 4 in the bottom layer and then 4 in the top layer. So altogether that makes 8. The third one, there is 9 in each layer. So if you add 9 and 9 and 9 or multiply 9 by 3, you'll get 27 cubes. Now, how many small cubes would you need to build the next cube in the pattern? Pause the video, have a think, jot down what you think, and then come back. So let's build this layer by layer. Remember how many, we need to count how many there are in each layer. There we go. So there are 16 in each layer, and if we add 4 lots of 16 together, or if we multiply 16 by 4, we get 64 cubes. Ron is using marshmallows and straws to build 3D shapes. He starts by making a rectangular base. There we go, there's the base. What shape do you think Ron is making? There's a big clue in the word rectangular base. Okay, let's have a look. What 3-dimensional shape can we see now? It is, of course, a cuboid. There are 8 vertices and 12 edges. Okay, now I would like you to complete just 2 sets of questions, number 4 and 5. These are also available on the home learning document, or you can use them from here. Okay, thank you. I shall see you soon, hopefully.